We'll be getting to our Sunshine updates at the end of this lesson. In the meantime, though, we're going to take a deep dive into an app called Visualizer Preferences. It's a little known fact that Larry, our creative lead, mixes beats in his free time. Lately, him and I did a collaboration of sorts. And no, it's not me singing, I will spare you that. Instead, Larry wanted to make a cool visualization to go along with his demo tracks. And thus, Visualize was born. Visualize shows an audio visualization of one of Larry's songs, with a circle, square, and triangle bumping to the different frequencies of the sound of the music. Now, Larry loved this visualization, but he wanted a way to be able to fiddle around with the parameters of the visualization. Things like the color, or the size of the shapes, or even which of those shapes appeared on the screen. Now, I have actually already written all the code to be able to do that, but there's no way for Larry to be able to actually modify these parameters in the app's UI. This is where you come in. You'll be making a settings screen for this application that will let any user modify the following attributes. First, which shapes are shown. Second, the color of the visualization. And finally, the size of the shapes. Let's go ahead and dive into the code.